In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Kinemaster mobile app if it is not working well. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So if you're trying to open your Kinemaster app and it can't respond or it keeps on crashing, let me show you how you can solve this problem. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access the app information, and you can simply do this through settings. So if you go to settings, scroll down and look for the option called apps, and here we have our apps. Tap on it to open and then tap on manage apps. Now this will open all the apps you have on your smartphone. Then go ahead and look for your app, and as you can see, our Kinemaster app is here. Tap on it to open. So we are interested in this app information page. Alternatively, you can get to this page through a shortcut method, and that is long pressing on your app, and then you'll see app info. Tap on it and you'll get to the same page here. So once we are here, we are interested in clearing the app data. If we go to storage, you can see we have a lot of cached data. So these are files that your app normally stores to enhance the performance. However, when they accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. So to solve any issue with your smartphone, go ahead and clear this cached data. To clear the cached data, tap on clear data here, and then you'll see we have an option called clear cache. Tap on it and then tap on OK. And this will go ahead and clear all the cache data that was on your smartphone. From here, restart your smartphone and then open it, and it will start functioning well. Now, at this point, should this not solve your problem, then you might want to take the second step. For that, look for Play Store and tap on it to open. Then look for your app, and here it is. Open it and then find out if we have any update here. Then go ahead and update. So if you are using an outdated app or an outdated version, it might be one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning. So once you update it to the latest version, go ahead and open it, and then your problem should be solved. But again, should you still find any other challenge, then you might want to go ahead and install this app and then install it afresh. At this point, everything now should be okay. But in case you didn't find a solution to your problem, then you might want to go ahead and contact Kinemaster Video Editor and then find out if they have a problem from their end. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.